got the old wheel off. Stuck a finger in there and did the using the brake. Alright, I'm back with the Ranger today. I haven't posted in a while because nothing has really happened to any of my vehicles. Crown Vic is running strong. The rust job is holding up. But main focus here is the Ranger, and we got a slight issue with the tire. Let me show you. Yeah, she's soft. How's it standing, you figure? Well, I'll show you. Oh yeah, some sketchy pieces of wood there. Doing the job for now. I put some air in it and figured out that these tires are so dry rotted and cracked, and the air was coming out of a crack in the sidewall there, you could see. Yeah, right there, hissing out of there. So these tires are finished anyway. Gonna have to shop around, try and find a deal somewhere. These ones are 235, 75, 15s. So I'm gonna see what I got going on. Alright, I did some hunting online there and some local ads, and I found a really good deal on some 33-inch tires and a 2-inch lift kit, so I'm gonna probably try and slap that on tonight. No, I'm just kidding. I found 4 tires, the set of rims for $270. There's 2 in the back seat here, and 2 in the trunk. That's the spare up there for this car. And I can't believe it fit 3 tires in the trunk of this thing. If you ever get a chance to buy a Crown Vic really in good shape and that, I'd jump on it. She hauls anything. Look, 4 tires, and I got my dinner for tonight too, so she's a good old car. But I'm probably not gonna put the wheels on tonight. You know, I just took this factory, well, the original wheel off to see if the other wheels would fit. I pulled the hub off and slid it in the board just to see if it would fit. I got it wrapped up so it doesn't get all wet. It's kind of storming out right now. But yeah, I'll leave that for when it gets lighter outside, I guess. Alright, back with some daylight. And as you can see, it snowed a little bit. So first things first, I'm gonna get this snow cleared out, get the tires out of the back of the trunk, and get moving here. Much better. I like a clean driveway, something more stable. Right now that I got a tire that I can put on this that's gonna hold some air, slap it on there, dig this truck out. Shouldn't be too bad. I started on that side a little bit. Dig it out, move it out here, and put the wheels on. Alright, got the first wheel on. Finally a tire with some air in it. And the wheel is a bit different, or I mean completely different than the ones that I have on it right now. And I thought they were kind of ugly, but I think they look okay now. But yeah, I'm gonna torque it down. 100 foot-pounds it says, so I'm gonna do that. Right. Got the wheel torqued. Now this truck has been sitting here for a while. Came over here and knocked the snow off it. Let's open the door and fire it up. I don't know why I made that ding noise. I don't know if the battery's any good or what. Oh yeah, battery. Alright, got the Ranger out of its resting spot there, no problem at all. And I just wanted to put the other tire next to the new one in comparison. And the 235 that was on here is just a touch bigger, but not much of a difference. I'm pretty happy with it. These are 215s, and well, from what I researched, that's what should be on this truck from factory. And 235s are, you know, the max that it says you can go. But I'm pretty happy so far. Like, it's not gonna be very good for the kind of weather we have right now, but we'll see. Lots of tread on them, and the valve stem too, just immaculate, man. That's just so nice. So I'm pretty happy. Got the Ranger rolling again. Get working on this side. Hey, got the old wheel off. Man, it's a shame there's so much tread left on these tires. It's crazy, but they're so dry rotted that they're just finished. This tire would go any day now. And what a weight difference. I know this is an aluminum rim and should be lighter, but it's way heavier than this. So that's kind of nice. All right, I'm gonna get to it here. So I got the other wheel on here, and I did notice a lot of play right here. And I thought this bore should be, you know, like nice and snug on there. So I went and put the old wheel on, and it had the same amount of play as this one. So I'm guessing we should be pretty good, but I've never seen so much space around there before. Whatever, we'll keep going. All right, so I started this side. I was taking the lugs off and I broke my adapter. Son of a... Well, I gotta find something else. Okay, so I found something to replace my socket. I had this kicking around, luckily. Yeah, that's what happens when it gets really cold outside like this. Like, I should have known, like, I should have found something, you know, better for that. Wasn't thinking. All right. Boy, am I running out of daylight. Lots of stuff was going wrong here. Simple wheel change. I managed to crack all the lug nuts on this side. And I had a hell of a time with this one. It was so rusty. It was just twisting and everything. And look how rusty that is. That's why I always like to put oil on these. Still on the left rear here, and I managed to get the screws off for the center cap, just to take a look at the gap right here, and just to see all the play that it has with it, to compare with the wheels that I'm putting on now, and it's exactly the same. So yeah, it's confirmed, and I'm gonna keep going with this. And I'm losing daylight here. Lots of messing around today. We are running out of daylight, and I got this wheel all torqued up. And while I was under there, I noticed this puddle here that I thought was melting snow from the truck running. Wasn't freezing up. And I dipped a finger in there, and that's brake fluid. So that's wonderful. I still got that tire to do, or wheel or whatever. And I gotta move this thing, park it here, so I can get my car and park it here, because I'll get a ticket for leaving it on the street. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I got the Ranger backed up without using the brake. Yeah, went pretty decent. These tires are actually surprising in the snow. They grip pretty good. And I was backing up there, so I just got the Vic pulled in here now. I use the headlights as some working light here while I get the other wheel on. Okay, finally done. I'm so happy. I got it torqued down and got it topped off with some air. And I'm so happy I'm done, because every 10 minutes this neighbor's furnace fires up and all these toxic fumes get expelled or whatever into my face, so it makes it fun. But yeah, happy I'm done here. I clean up all my crap. That side went a lot better because it's got grease all the time. Now what I'm gonna have to do is find some hubcaps for it, or center caps I mean, and I'm pretty sure these wheels are from a 98 or so, and so I'm gonna have to try and find some hubcaps for that. If I'm wrong about the year, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know. I think they're around 98 or so. Alright, that's it for this video. Yeah, later.